You're watching EDS TV. I recommend the camera check his tires because it might be just about time to change them. That fella just had to save that 5 seconds of waiting for the camera and the other car to move out of the way. At that rate, he is going to hurt someone. Does anyone else think this has to be the worst location for a dashcam? That aside, the driver was either looking at his phone or was fixated at the green light ahead. The audacity to almost hit the camera and then, after all that, not even stay in the turning lane is beyond me.
Damn. Dude! What? Is he blind?
If he had taken the same route as the previous car, he would have been fine. Clearly, he just wanted to be a menace to someone that day. The camera was wondering who the idiot is. If anything, he had more opportunity to handle this situation better than did the person he is wondering about. The trailer guy was a total numbskull.
Ow. Damn it!
Unfortunately, this was a hit and run. The sheriff office said that the driver was uncooperative and likely drunk at the time. I guess we'll see where it goes from here. I'm almost certain he crashed somewhere shortly up the road unseen by the dashcam. If you're going to pull out into an intersection to stake out the left turn so you can complete the move when the light turns yellow, make sure all the approaching traffic has to come to a stop before you complete the turn.
Do we discuss this at all? We've arrived at Act 2 of our program. Act 2, pinky swear. What's interesting about defense?
Going through a roundabout in the US is the ultimate test of defensive driving. At any moment, any car on the road can do something utterly idiotic.
Thank you, good Samaritan.
Do you acknowledge that that's not allowed? That's not legal. You can't be on your phone while driving. You were swerving for miles.
I had to get my where I was.
That's not an excuse.
Why can't people just pull over somewhere if they really need to do something on their phone? I try to not have to, but if I really need to look something up on my phone, then that is what I do. The drivers running the red light to turn left are obviously the biggest idiots here, but the car in front of the camera didn't help the situation by just sitting there and not even trying to go.
It was over, and I turned my attention back to the agave plants, and the woman says, "Hablar English, no?" To which I say to her in fluent English, "Yes, English is my first language.
Too bad, because the bus did stop almost in time, just moved forward a tiny bit.
Like butterscotch, right? And he's getting darker on time. But like in my family, there's plenty of people as dark as me and as light as him. You know what I mean? So he looks like, you know, a different.
In my experience, if there is a hubcap missing, stay away from that car. The other driver clearly has nothing to lose. Geez Louise, that person is absolutely going to kill someone driving like that. I hope the officers caught him. I've driven this exact road many times. You have to really try to find yourself going in the wrong direction on this ramp. I'm trying to figure out how they managed it.
See the truck right there tries to cut the BMW. As we're heading towards exit 70B, as you can see here,
The truck driver halts to a full stop on an exit ramp to brake check the Audi behind it. The camera gets rear-ended by someone who didn't brake in time.
there we go.
Good old Fayetteville, road rage and red light runners. I absolutely hate driving there at night because the amount of people blowing lights and randos just walking across the road in pitch black with no care in the world is truly astonishing.
But if you need it, make sure. Mom, I know you know. And you call us every day. You be good. Her dad said, "Cut my heart." You need us, you call. Doesn't matter the time. Her father looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling. Just had to stop. Remember.
This is one of the many reasons you should slow down when passing a slow or stopped line of cars. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.